How to add your Zip card to Google Pay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add your Zip card to Google Pay. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. First thing first, what you want to do is you want to open up your GPay application and you want to log into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you'll get an face like this. At the bottom right corner beside the settings icon, you'll find the cards icon, right? You want to simply tap on that particular cards icon, and once you tap on it, it'll show you the heads up option where it'll ask you to accept and activate. Simply tap on accept and activate option there, and it'll show up your card and it'll say set up Google Pay, add Zip to Google Pay to start paying anywhere in store, within apps and on Wave. Simply tap on add to Google Pay account, go through a couple of prompts, and you'll be able to add your Zip card to Google Pay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues. Now